Good morning. Two, and I'm back. There we go. Just like that, my audio crashed. There we go. That was interesting. That hasn't happened before. 1, 2, 1. There's my echo. That's back. That's back. That's all good.
Today and yesterday, and if the fundamentals behind the AI
Wall
story
Street connection. Yeah, we had a technical issue there. I walked away and everything was fine. I came back and then it had gone quiet. Anyway, we're in members only mode once again, giving more back to our members. We're doing this more and more often now. This could probably become a regular thing now because we are so busy now with members only. We're always about providing service, not getting views. And that's what this channel is all about. So welcome everybody. Let me see who's here. Today's video is don't do this. Absolutely don't do this. And I'm really hoping that FC Caban is in the show today. Is FC Caban, F Caban. Where did he say he was from? I think it was Austin, Texas, wasn't it? Is F Caban in the show? Let me see. This was inspired by him actually. F Caban doesn't look like it. Vanessa, Lucas age. It's all one word. It's all one word, Vanessa. If you're gonna use the slogan right, you got to do it properly. It's all one word. So anyway, let's see who's here already. We're in a members only mode for the first 15-20 minutes. We'll go public in a minute. Daryl Lee. Hello, Daryl. How are you? Just became a member. Daryl Lee, lovely to have you here on the show. Just became a gold member on the extra channel as well. Thank you so much. He's priority comments, priority everything. Basically, if you're a gold member, you're priority everything. So he's priority everything. Let's win. How are you? Let's get ready to rumble. Hiya, Chris. Mike is here. Our star man. ARM had a little spike today, sold high and bought back on the deal. Oh, talking of Mike, get ready for Mike's care package. Stand by for that. Okay, I'll update you with that. ARM had a little spike today, sold high and bought back on the dip. So a small win in time for Christmas bonus. I'm loving it. I am Mike. Is everyone feeling positive about a strong end for 24? I am. Hi, Chris. How you doing? Hi, everyone. Listen to Sensei. Took profits and still looking healthy on XRP. Thank you, Sensei. I'm all set up for Christmas. Wonderful stuff indeed. So important to take those profits there. Many didn't. Our members did, of course. So it's all good. Oh, a silent Martin. Yeah, not for long. Jay, I'm back. Hello, Mike. Hi there, Lucas AIDS, says Vanessa. I'm Mike. From a cold, wet and windy UK. Vanessa, sorry, Lucas AIDS. I know it's one word for the password. Yes, it's one word for the password. It's one word for the slogan. It's one word for the T-shirts. It's one word for everything. We don't change it. It's a one word for everything. Anyway, evening from the Netherlands. Hello, Marco. How are you? Nimisha, good afternoon to you. Wadey, hello. And Henrik, hello. Welcome, members. This is the members only live stream. All the members are here today. Martin, what football team do you support? England. But if I pick a team, it'd be Manchester United. But it is England I'm most interested in. All right. Okay. Now then, today's live stream is members only at the moment. We'll go general public shortly. How many have we got watching right now? I wanted to welcome everybody in, members only, before we started. We're talking about don't do this. Now, this morning, F. Caban came on the channel live on my show. Oh, but before I mention that, you can see we're looking at the portfolio dropping at the moment. Am I worried? No. Am I concerned? No. And remember, I'm all in on margin, in case you're wondering how much. Or how much margin? Or how much margin have you got? There it is. I'm $200,000 invested. There's my margin on the screen. You can see it there. I haven't bought any stocks now for 2 months. I bought 2 months ago. It's risen like nearly 8% since then. And it's not nowhere near a big enough dip. I've been paying down margin every month since that. Well, I pay down margin all the time, you know. But I've currently got about $212,000 invested, something like that. But it's not big enough dip for me to buy more. There's the IRA. Still down on Coca-Cola. Can't wait for January the 1st to put 8 grand in there. That's why I'm saving the margin until January the 1st to get the 3% match, which then basically makes the margin cost 2%. Because I'll be paying it off in probably a couple of months. So in fact, it'll be free. It'll be free. Anyway, there you go. So I'm not worried. It's not a big enough dip though. We need a 5% drop before I start buying more again. Otherwise, there's no real point. But you may remember this morning, F. Caban came in the show. Do you remember? F. Caban came in. I think he was from Austin, Texas. And he was talking about this stock here. And we had a live broadcast, a live event. It was great. We did a live analysis on the stock. Do you remember? And I said, the story's great. And he was really encouraged by the story. And I said, I wouldn't buy it here. It's going to go down. Well, it didn't just go down. It went down. So if he's watching right now, you're welcome. It's down today by 19%. 19%. And in fact, it's a 35% swing from when he was talking about buying it. This is where he wanted to buy it this morning. 35% saving. F. Caban, if you're on the show right now, this is one for you. 35%. Never, ever buy on a story alone. Now, tonight, in 1 hour from now, you may have missed it, and I hope you can join me anyway for the live premiere, even if you didn't miss it, even if you did see it. Join me because this video is going to go live, and it's the very example of don't do this just because the story sounds great. First of all, Chinese manipulation never works out. Then you've got the hope that Donald Trump's going to do something which you can't guarantee. And then what do we end up? This analysis here, USAC, US antimony. And antimony, I couldn't pronounce it this morning for some reason. But join us for that. That goes live straight at the end of today's show. Yeah, seriously, guys, that would have been a big mistake. Just because something sounds great, the story's great, very often gets dumped. You heard the phrase, buy the rumor, sell the news. It gets used too much. It gets oversimplified. But I said, don't touch that. That would be a big mistake. And by now, you'd be down 35% from the moment he wanted to buy it. So that's coming out tonight. So I just wanted to share this with you. Just because something sounds good doesn't necessarily mean it is. Anyway, gold and silver. I just see someone's meant songs for space. Gold was up today. And of course, these precious metals are up. These are in times of crisis when we think the markets have peaked. People start taking profits and buying gold and silver more, especially now we've got all the uncertainty. Syria now, with all that going on. Can you believe it? One day you wake up and Assad is gone. Amazing, isn't it? He was ruling with Russia and all that terrible stuff. And all of a sudden, gone. It's finished. Pretty amazing, really. Anyway, that's why gold's going up today. So anyway, I want to welcome back the general public now. I just wanted to open up and talk to all the members first before we started about that. So let's change this now. So edit this. Let me go. Where do I change it? Members only. There you go. I'll make it public now. There you go. Save, done. Let's bring in the general public now. Now we've had our members only chat. Let's bring in the general public. And do you agree with me or not? Would you have bought the stock? What do you think? Right, let's see what happens now. So, hi everybody. Hi Space. Hi Namisha. Hi everyone. Daryl Lee. I've just upgraded you on Discord. You now can talk to Sensei. You can also talk to Ed Nevius about the scalp trading and all the rest of it. Thank you very much indeed. Big Mike, silver jumping today. Right, the overall markets are going down. Now, another reason why they're going down, of course, is because we've already priced in a rate cut. The rate cut is already priced in. We're just a few days away from the FOMC report. We'll be covering it live, of course. So volatility is coming in to the market before the event so that we can make money from it. But Wednesday, and this is another reason for it, Wednesday we have core inflation. It's the last bit of data before the Fed meeting. The Fed meeting's on the 19th, so 10 days away from that. We'll be covering it. But tomorrow is inflation. If inflation goes up tomorrow, we could have a pause, and that would be bad for the market. That would stop the Santa rally stomp straight in its tracks. We're at 0.3, previous 0.3, consensus 0.3, forecast 0.3. We want 0.3 or less. We don't want 0.4 or 0.5 would be a disaster. Okay. Core inflation, 3.3 previous, 3.3 consensus, 3.3 forecast. We do not want 3.4 or 3.5. Core inflation. Inflation rate, I beg your pardon. Inflation rate, 0.2 previous. Consensus, 0.2. Forecast, 0.3. Now, if we get a 0.3, it's obviously higher, but overall, we're still okay. We've priced that in because, the month and the year is different, but we don't want to 0.4. 0.2, lower would be great. Absolutely great. Final figure, inflation rate, right, is previously 2.6. Consensus 2.7, forecast 2.7. Again, another indicator of why we're down today. We are pricing in, what if inflation starts going up again? That's why the Fed next year are going to be very slow with bringing the rates down. So just look out for that, all right? Let me make sure, one moment, if I've got... I want to make sure that we've got general public and chat now. We are in general public mode and live chat. Yes, we have. Okay, I just wanted to make sure. So there you go. Very, very important stuff. Tomorrow, sorry, I beg your pardon, Wednesday. Very important day for Wednesday. It will tell us where we're going. Got itchy nose. It'll tell us where we're going. If we're going to get that, if we're going to complete on the Santa rally. Bloody hell. My nose is itching. Anyway, what do you think? We're very quiet this afternoon. You're all very subdued. No comments coming in. No one got anything to say. Let's go for our portfolio and let's have a little look of where we are this afternoon. We've got the overall markets down for the reasons I've just given, waiting for the FOMC and the inflation. See, driving the market down, taking profit is perfect because if it's good news tomorrow, then you can buy up. That's the point. So even if you think things are going to be good, the markets can go down. Like what I said earlier about that analysis I did. We had a story that sounded great, but in reality, the stock is doing awful today. I mean, look at it, 30% swing from where F. Caban wanted to buy it. But there you go. Vanessa, When your nose itches, it means company is coming. Is it? It means someone's coming. All right. Okay. I don't think so. No one comes here. I ain't got time for that. I ain't got time for visitors. I'm too busy. You're my visitors. You're my visitors. These are the best live YouTube TV channels in the world, or wherever. Or wherever. That's right, Mike. Mike is absolutely spot on with that. He's dead right, you know. He's dead right. Let's have a look. What else is going on this afternoon? S&P going down. Gold is down. S&P Global, sorry. Beg your pardon. Virgin Galactic back down again today. Let's have a little look at that. We've not looked at that for a while. It's gone down 6% on the week. It's back down on the month again. Oh, gosh. We're heading 8% up on the month. On the 3 months, beg your pardon. No, still not a good story for Virgin Galactic, I'm afraid. Can't say anything great about it yet. Palantir, it's trimmed off today. It's way too expensive. Way too expensive. Amazon's had a good day. Apple's had a great day. 246. 225 was my target. Next Era Energy down 0.34. Enphase Energy, I tell you what, guys, did you buy it at 65? That's where we said to buy it. If you did that, you'll be very, very happy, won't you? Very, very happy. Up today, 7%. Very nice. Coca-Cola going up. We don't want that. Not until January the 1st. Stay as low as you can. J&J, $200 stock. It's taking some time. I get it. But think of the dividends you're going to get. They're huge on this stock. Chevron, up today. Tesla, down now. That's very expensive right now. Rivian, I wouldn't buy it. It's way too risky. McDonald's is back over the 300 again. The E. coli trade I did in October worked out very well. I did it twice. Google is a good value stock. Like that one. Microsoft, too expensive, but up today. Nvidia, still reeling on that bad news today. Still reeling. If you missed it, I put out a video earlier. I will refresh this and I will share with you what you may have missed today. So if we go down here, and we go to videos, right? I've just put out some videos. I've put out Nvidia, bad news. That's why it's down. If you've not got a red line underneath the video, it means you haven't watched it. If you've got a part red line, it means you've partly watched it. XRP Ripple, was Brad thrown under the bus by 60 minutes? Kind of, but that's what you get from TV. I explained my experience of working in TV in that video. Go and check it out. But he should have realized that. Comes on, end of the day, he's not used to TV, right? And he comes on and he says, they didn't show my side of the story. Well, did you expect them to? If you use media to promote yourself, they're not there to help you. They're there to create TV. People forget that all the time. It's why I refused to do Bloomberg. Remember when we were waiting for Virgin Galactic to react to my review, analysis review? I did with Bloomberg twice. And they said, you'll get loads of views with it. I said, I don't care. I'm not sitting around waiting for Virgin Galactic to decide they're going to respond to me. I said, pull it. And, you can get views. I said, I don't care. I pulled it. Be careful. Media will use you. Opens you up and spits you out. This is the video that comes out tonight, the world premiere, in half an hour and 40 minutes. Hopefully you'll join me for that. In fact, it'll be less than that. It'll be about 40 minutes. I'll make it right on the bell, actually. Nike analysis. I've just put this one out. I said buy Skechers instead. I think Skechers is a better deal right now. What else have you missed? The official song for XRP. Yes, it's the official one because I said it is. Well, it is official for me, isn't it? So 3,000 views. Very nice. And lady investors. We're getting the lady investors. So there's a few videos you may have missed. All right. Now, you may have noticed the tone of the show today is slightly different because we're going to get a little bit of no news is good news at the moment. We're waiting for the inflation figures on Wednesday, and we're waiting for the FOMC report before we can get into full Christmas rally. I know it's a week. That'll be a week before Christmas, but we've got to wait for it. There'll be a quiet period now the next few days, so don't expect much going on, so you can all go and sleep, have a bit of a break. Anyway, looks like possible Coca-Cola backup now. Done selling. I am with you. I don't really mind if it goes up, because if it goes up, I own $28,000 of it. I don't have to spend any more margin. I don't have to buy any more. But if I can, I will. But I don't really care. I've got enough to make the $1 million by the end of the year, by the end of the decade. By the end of the decade. So I'm not really bothered either way. I hope it stays low, because I want to load up the Roth IRA on January the 1st. If it goes up and it's above my buy-in price, I'll simply buy the S&P. If it's below, I buy Coca-Cola. It's as simple as that. If Coca-Cola goes up, I'll sell it and buy the S&P with my extra 8,000. So I'll have 8,000 plus 28,000. So I'll have $36,000 of the S&P on day one with a 3% match. No problem at all. If it's down, I'll buy more with the 8,000, wait for it to pop, and then I'll buy the S&P. Because the S&P is only going to do 10% next year. Coca-Cola can do a lot more. And the dividends are double what they are on the S&P. So the dividends alone are going to make to balance out at this price level. So if it goes up, I win. If it stays down, I win. It makes no difference whatsoever. What would I prefer? It doesn't matter. I make money on both sides of the equation. It doesn't matter what it does. Okay, let's have a look. Reporting for duty, James 007. Thank you, mate. One of our hardest working moderators. Thank you. Here's Mike. Please whack the like button. Evening 007. Good evening, Mike. How are you? Hey, Martin, did you say you were part of the Lions Club? I am no longer a paid up member. You have to pay subscriptions to be in the Lions Club, and I haven't got time to attend any events now, and I'm raising more money doing it myself on the channel anyway, through our YouTube channel. At least I will be. I have been doing that in the past, but now I'm going to be doing it in a much bigger way once we get to 10,000 subscribers. So I used to be, hence why I've got the Jack Weech. I've got lots of these. I've got all these sort of plaques and stuff from the Lions Club. Can you see that? Lions Club. See? Lions Club. I got lots of these little plaques and stuff on the wall around the studio, all over the place, for raising money. But yeah, I was a paid up member. I'm here to help people, but now I just do it myself because it's easier. I raise more money. There's no commission. There's no politics involved. So yeah, I do it. I used to be, but I'm not a paid up member anymore. But I was doing the $1 million tour for the Lions Club across America, with the theaters and all that stuff. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Andrew. I hope Joe Rogan invites Brad Gardinghouse onto his podcast at some point. I was talking to Sensei about that today. It'll be good. However, the right show is this one. Joe Rogan has got a bigger audience than me for now, but Joe Rogan is a scandal and drama, and all we got is numbers. I don't think he's a good interviewer. He's entertaining and funny, but at the end of the day, it's just drama and swearing and smoking and messing around. I don't take it seriously. I know we had 130,000 people watch our XRP 60 Minutes. 60 Minutes themselves had 98,000 subscribers. So we had more views than 60 Minutes of real XRP investors. So, where's the best place for him to be? In fact, you've given me a great idea for a video. It's a great live stream last night. I really enjoyed it. James 007, thank you for everything that you did last night. Appreciate it. Just saw you. Hi. Hello, Namisha. Yes. Do you have an opinion on when they'll confirm any backdate the recession the US is in at the moment? Do you have an opinion on when they'll confirm and backdate the recession? There's no recession. Why do people keep saying that? Toon tuber. There's not a recession. A recession is defined by so many months of negative growth. We haven't had it. There is no recession. Not opinion, fact. I don't know why people keep saying there's a recession. There's not a recession. We were never going to have a recession. We're not going to have a recession. There hasn't been a recession. There's not going to be a recession. I don't know why people keep saying that. All right, anyway. So there is no recession. Can I be more clear? Martyn, can we earn interest on crypto? Can you earn interest? You can stake it. I've never done well on that. But yes, you can stake your coins on different crypto. I would suggest you tune into Sensei on Sunday. I've just released Sensei's show. On Sunday, this is Sensei's show. 3 p.m. Central, Sensei will tell you all about the crypto staking business. The crypto staking business. I don't believe in it, not for me, but Sensei loves it. Well, I don't know. I don't know if he loves it, actually. I shouldn't talk for him. This is the show on Sunday. 6 days away, December the 15th, 3 p.m. Central. You want to go? All right. Okay. First people who go in the chat and tell Sensei what you want, he'll do it for you. Promise. That's me promising on Sensei's behalf. So there you go. The first 5 people. There you go. There's the link to Sensei's show on Sunday. Let me go to live chat. The first 5 requests. Member or non-member. There you go. It's members only, but I will say the first 5 people who drop a question into Sensei. Come on then. Let's see what happens. The first 5 people. Okay. Crypto Mac. What's all that about? So anyway, if you go into the chat, the first 5 people, I've given you the link in the chat. Put your request in, member or non-member. Sensei will be told by me. He won't have a choice. I'll tell him. You think I'm joking? All right. I'll tell him that on Sunday you got to do these 5 requests. Anyway, so there you go. You ready? Give you a minute. I'll come back to that in a second. First five requests for Sunday's show. Afternoon, fellas, and all of the ladies. Number 1 ladies crypto channel in the world. Yes, we are the number 1 crypto channel in the world for ladies. Yes, you want proof of that? I will share it with you right now. Community. If you go to all YouTube channels that are around crypto, it's less than 1% ladies for their viewership on average. And we were as well once upon a time. And I realized this is a big mistake. We've got to aim the show at ladies. And because they are very astute investors, they spend more on themselves than men do. And they know how to take care of the money. You always go to your mum to borrow money, don't you? Not your dad. She's always got the insurance policy paid up, right? So there you go. Women are far more astute. So if I show you, look, my analytics, go to the live shows. Go to ladies, we had 1% like everybody else. Then we had 10. Then we had 12.8. And now we are, you ready? I'm just bringing up the live numbers, measuring it live right now. This is my analytics live right now. 12.9%. Highest financial crypto channel in the world for ladies. Not even close. Not even close. There you go. Very proud of that. All ladies are welcome. It's why we have so many ladies. Okay. So next question. So Sensei will do that for you. Let me go and see. You said you put in your request. Let me have a look. Here we go. Andrew Michael. Can we have H-bar Sensei? That's 1. Sensei, can we earn interest on crypto? There you go. That's 2. And Daryl Lee. I didn't sell XRP when you advised currently hold all shares. What would be a price to set for stop loss? That time, I would say, has come and gone. Daryl Lee, if you'd done both trades when we said, you'd have made 25% the first time and 8% the second time, and now you'd be virtually all seed money out and be free. So if you want to know about... See, I don't even use stop losses. I do it manually. I don't believe in them. Stop losses is rubbish, honestly, because it's for passive investors that want to go sit on the beach all day. I don't like it because it doesn't take into consideration changing macro conditions. I like to make my decisions But you need to do it without emotion. Most people see it going down and they wait. It's going to go up. It's going to go up. It's going to go down. It's going to go down. Oh God! Now I don't have any of that. I know exactly what I want to do. I've got 5 moves ahead, but I do it manually. I don't just set a stop loss. When it goes down 2%, sell it. I mean, that's not a good idea. Apart from stop trail orders or a stop order when we're scalp trading, like we've done live on the show. I've done that because I know I want to get out. But as far as putting a stop loss to protect myself from a drop, no. But a stop loss to take my profit, not to protect from a loss. That's always a bad idea. The only winner there is the brokerage, because remember, the brokerage always makes money when you trade. Just because you can trade doesn't mean you should trade. And that's a big mistake people make all the time. Hi there. That would be epic if Brad came on here. Well, I'll tell you what. Let's do a Brad video. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a Brad Joe Rogan video right now. I'm going to save all of the comments like MSK. If you like the idea about Brad Garlinghouse being on this show, leave a comment now. I will save it as a favorite, and in about 1 minute from now, I'll make a video about that. I want to get Brad Garlinghouse on the show, and I'm going to make a video about it. All right? So leave a comment now, and I'll put it in. Thank you, Namisha. You're very welcome. Found your channel a few days ago. Loving it. Where are you originally from in the UK? Cornwall. What is your backstory? Can you give us a quick brief? Crypto Mac. I can. I'm the World Piano Man. I've toured around the world, 195 countries as the World Piano Man. I've had my own Vegas show. I've been self-employed since I was 16. And I've toured in one job my entire life as an entertainer, as a broadcaster. And then a few years ago, COVID came, finished it all off. I built arguably the best live streaming studio on TV, on YouTube TV, and I wanted to build the best, most honest channel in the world. I think Mr. Beast with 100 million is nothing at all. There's 8 odd billion people in the world. I think we can be way bigger and way better with more variety, more entertainment, and about other people. That's what this family is about. That's me. I believe in putting people before myself. I believe in total transparency. Ask me anything. I share everything with you. This is my real money. I believe in working harder than anyone else. I love to work. And I'm committed to this project of growing the best channel in the world. So, and because of that, we're growing, doubling our rate of growth every month. We've got 98% of our live viewers are members, the highest engagement rate of any channel in the world. Way more than Mr. Beast, way more. 98% of live viewers are members. So that's a bit about me. Yeah. Does it cost to become a member? Does it cost? Well, it's as cheap as it can be. It's like $2. I make it as cheap as I can. It's never gone up in price. It will never go up in price, including with inflation. So actually, no, my membership gets cheaper and cheaper all the time. I made that promise, and I've stuck to that promise, and I'll always stick to that promise. And it's getting cheaper and cheaper every year. And I offer more and more services every year. It's not about making money for me. It's about providing you a service. There is the membership link. All right, there you go. Martin, I was laughing last night when the person phoned in who looked like Elon Musk. As soon as I saw him, I thought, he looks like Elon. And then he actually came out and said, it is Elon. I know, it was funny, wasn't it? It really was. I really thought he was for a split second. I thought, oh my God, Elon Musk's called in. It was amazing. Hi, James. Ed Nevius here. He is the star of the hour. Afternoon America. Afternoon the world. We're in 14 languages, 68 countries, mate. What do you mean? What do you mean, America? Love XRP. I never love an asset. Would never say I love XRP. Absolutely not. It's simply a ways to an end. It doesn't care about me. I invest in businesses to make money. I don't love any stock. I don't love the S&P 500. I recognize it as a good asset to own. Do you have any Atos? No, I don't. You all helped me get $50 stocks last night. Thank you. You're welcome, Austin. Afternoon, Kazansky. I've seen you before. I can't remember where. I've seen you before. I've been on TV quite a few times. I've had my own Vegas show. I've done Phantom of the Opera. And I'm on YouTube a lot. So anyway, I only stop losses to take profits. Never take losses. The losses I decide to take is on the chin myself by manually. That's right. That's exactly right, MSK. I grew up in North Finchley, London. Now I live in Arizona. Lovely. North Finchley, London. Love it. Love it. That was a rubbish Cockney accent. I'm considering doing your head in learning scalping, but I ain't got the time. Hi, Ed. There you go. XRP gone crazy. 25 to 29. XRP gonna go crazy. Jack Sparrow. You can't make that prediction at all. You cannot say in the next 4 years where XRP is going. That's based upon no facts whatsoever. You can't be that far ahead. Absolutely impossible on a crypto. You're just guessing. You can make guesses all you like, but we don't do guesses on this channel. We're not a gambling channel. Let's have a look. No worries, the class is more than scalping, but yes, when you get the time. Kazansky. I will definitely have a look at closer looks soon. It's fascinating. Do you dollar cost average into the S&P 500? How much per month? No. Never dollar cost average. That is the most simplistic, silly way. Right, I've got to make 2 videos then. First of all, let me answer Crypto Mac, and then I'm going to make the Joe Rogan video. Very, very important. Let me say this, right? If you sit down with Warren Buffett, Merrill Lynch, anyone of real financial acumen, they will never talk to you about dollar cost averaging, buying on the way down. None. And I know, because I speak to hedge fund managers, CEOs, millionaires, and a billionaire. They don't do that. They often buy on the way up. They buy assets that are guaranteed, as near as you can damn it, to make money. Rich people don't lose money. You've heard the saying, the rich get richer and the poor get poorer? Absolutely right. Dollar cost averaging is stupid. And let me tell you why. Dollar cost averaging means absolutely nothing. All it does is change the number of your average. What does that do? Nothing. It encourages you, nothing. It encourages you to buy so the brokerage make money.
Pavliko7 has become a member.
Thank you. Another new member. Thank you very much indeed. I will give you your perks and benefits at the end of this video, at the end of this this message. It encourages you to buy more. And it's a very, very easy sell for YouTubers. Remember, I'm not a YouTuber. I've explained why. I just simply broadcast on YouTube TV. Right? You're not a BBCer if you broadcast the BBC in the news at 10 on the BBC, are you? You're a broadcaster. Same thing. So it's a very easy sell for YouTubers to say dollar cost average. It gives people some silly little message so they can sell videos and encourage people to spend money. And it's just stupid. Because a dollar cost averaging down doesn't do anything. Every time I buy an asset, and remember, I traded in October, 19 trades, 19 wins. I don't lose money. I've not lost on a single trade since I rebalanced my portfolio in January. Never lose, and I won't never lose again. Ever. 100%. Always making money. I don't care about dollar cost averaging. I buy when the value is right. When the macro condition dictates, remember, I'm proactive, not reactive. I know exactly what I want to do if that happens. So I'm proactive. I'm already deciding what I'm going to do. The situation doesn't make me react. I'm proactive. Okay? No emotion. Just buy when it's a good value. If you liked it at this level, people say, well, you must love it at this level. And on principle, that sounds fair. But when I buy it at this level, what is the current state of the business? What's the current state of the margin, the profit, the loss, the balance sheet? Then, if it's good value, if the forward PE ratio has gone up, I buy more because it's better value than it was up here. Just because the price has come down doesn't mean it's cheaper, does it? What if the profits have come down as well? Most people don't look at that. They don't care about that. They go, I don't care. I don't know. What's the balance sheet? I don't know. What deal are they doing next month? I don't know. What's the earnings looking like? I don't know. So just buying on the way down to lower your average is a completely pointless exercise. Doesn't serve any purpose whatsoever. So how have I grown my portfolio from $5,000, which right, to the Roth and the brokerage to 134,000 without ever shorting the stock, without buying options? How have I done that? And I lost 30 grand at the beginning when I made all the mistakes. Don't do that anymore, right? So how have I done that? Am I a magician? No. What do? Well, first of all, I only buy the S&P because integrity for the show. Most important thing is you, the viewer, not me, not my gain. The quality of the show is number one priority. Number two, all I need to buy is the S&P to reach my goal of $1 million. So I stick to that by the end of the decade. So when do I buy? I don't buy to average down. In fact, every single time I bought the S&P all year, I've paid more for it. My average has gone up. I've done the very opposite. Oh my God, I'm an idiot. I keep paying more. Am I an idiot? No. Why did I pay more? Because the businesses within the index have grown, but the macro condition has driven the price down. The earnings were good. The earning beats were good. I think it was 77% of the S&P 500 beat on the last earnings. So on average, my businesses that I own are performing well, but the price has gone down. Price went down for the Iran invasion into Syria, into Israel. Price has gone down now because of coming up to inflation reports and FOMC and reacting to Syria. Price went down for the carry trade. Price went down. Donald Trump saying the world would end in 48 hours. All of that was nonsense. The businesses were still selling stuff. The businesses were increasing, were growing. So I bought more at that point, not to lower my average. In fact, my average went up. My average went up. But when the price went down, I went all in. I'm all in with margin. Every penny I have is invested, plus margin.
Chris Botix donated £5 through a super chat. Hi Martin. I hope you're having a good day. Nice drops to date and a few more RKLB, Sound, Sophie and Lun. Doing very well so far, smiley face. Thanks so much.
Congratulations, Chris Botix. Some good purchases there. You're right to buy all of those, apart from SoFi. Don't like SoFi at all. The CEO talks nonsense. He just promotes his own stock. So I don't like that. But the rest were good. So dollar cost averaging is as useless as trying to solve an algebra equation while chewing bubblegum. It serves no purpose whatsoever. But it's a nice, easy thing to say on YouTube to people to excite everybody. Dollar cost average. Lower your average. You can't lower your average unless you're buying crap that's going down all the time. An asset like Microsoft, Google, Nvidia, the S&P 500, Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, yada, yada, yada. Great businesses, solid balance sheets, make money. You buy them, you own them, you keep them, and you buy them at the best price possible. When the market indicates, you buy them. Oh, another new member. Thank you, Brian.
Brian Dunogon has become a member.
Thank you very much indeed. So it's very, very, easy to sell the idea of dollar cost averaging to people. It's a good headline, but it's stupid. It's pointless. So no, never ever consider dollar cost averaging at all. No. I'd rather buy Virgin Galactic, which is currently $6 something, at $10. And you're going to go, well, you're an idiot. You can buy it at $6. Why would you buy it at 10? What a stupid thing to say. No, because at $10, it means institutions are buying it because they know it's going to $50. Now it's an investment. At $6, where it is now, pre-Delta, it's a speculative gamble. And anyone who tells me different makes no sense. We love Virgin Galactic. I used to try to promote them until they shot themselves in the foot with being arrogant and rude and told them to stuff it. Right? But the fact of the matter is, once we know it's flying regularly and has customers lined up regularly, now it's a business. Now it makes money. Now I can invest in it. If I buy it now, that's fine. But now you have to realize it's speculative gamble. We can believe in it all you like, but the stock doesn't believe in you and doesn't care if it goes bankrupt. The CEO doesn't care if it goes bankrupt because the CEO, Michael Cole Glazier, pays himself a fortune. Self-admittedly, he's got a great job working in the desert, building rockets. He said that. He's right. He's got a great job. He loves to get paid millions of dollars a year, taking all the money from the shareholders. The shareholders get nothing at the moment. Maybe they will, maybe they won't. But Michael Cole Glazier ain't bothered. He gets rich anyway, making rockets in the desert. If it goes bankrupt, he walks away. So dollar cost averaging, completely pointless, has no sense of it at all, but it's a great thing to people talk about. Merrill Lynch said it. People talk about catching a falling knife. Wait for it to settle. Wait for it to find support. Wait for people with money to start buying it so you don't catch the bottom. Who the hell cares? Don't try and chase the market. Buy it when it's undervalued. Not what everybody else says by it's down, dollar cost averaging. You can dollar cost average down to zero if you're not careful. Anyway, there you go. There's my answer to you about dollar cost averaging. Let me read some more comments here. Okay. I'm from Manchester but live in the southwest of France. And they're very nice indeed. Very nice. How low could XRP go before it continues its journey up? We can't tell you that. What we can tell you is the support levels. And Sensei will provide that on Sunday for you. So tune in Sensei on Sunday. Let me give you the link to his show on Sunday. We've got people already coming in, becoming members who wish to get favor and priority with Sensei. There's the chat. There's the link there. First Ledger meme coin. No idea what the question is. Pavelok, I will give you your benefits in a moment. Why does everyone leave the UK? Actually, don't answer that. I've never left the UK. I've got my house in England, and that's where I'm going to retire to. Let's get that straight. What stock trading platform do you prefer to use? And are there any good trading platforms that allow you to trade stocks and crypto? Yes, I use Robinhood. I love it. There's Robinhood USA in the chat. There's Robinhood UK. Wherever you are, UK or USA, we're giving away 5 free stocks on UK and I think 1 free stock on the US. Help yourself. Use my referral. We both get free stocks. I just signed up on eToro. I didn't like eToro, I have to be honest. I didn't like it. I prefer Robinhood, yes. When is XRP going to the moon? When is XRP going to the moon? Well, we believe it's going to $10, but those that have the money took the profits last night, and now it's going down big time. We tried to warn everybody. Our members are now buying this dip. Sensei will be talking about a 50% crash. It's already gone down 25 or 35% now from the top where we identified that, so we're nearly there. We'll be accumulating more soon. Sensei will tell you exactly where he's buying back in again on Sunday. There is the Sunday show in the chat for you. Once again, this is the Sunday show. Hi, Martin. I became a member yesterday, and the Discord is saying become a member. Rob, if you are a member on YouTube, we can give you access to Discord for free. There is a premium service, higher level again, but as a YouTube member, you can get access for free. Rob, I can see you're a member because you have a badge next to your name. So all you got to do is give me your username here on the show, and I will upgrade you now live on this show. So all you got to do is give me your username. when the XRP landing is scheduled. Probably just after I sell some. Martin, when did you start with $5,000? For 3 years and 9 months? 3 years, I don't know, 3.5 years ago, something like that. Live on the show. Done everything live on the show. Everything's in front of you. Everything's real. Everything happens live. I mean, it's every trade other than when I was on holiday in October. But even then, I shared it all on X and Instagram. So if you want to know all my trades, I put them live on X. There's my X. There's my Instagram. But also, I put everything that I do. Before I do it, I even tell you what I'm about to do. So you can see what I'm doing. I mean, that's pretty cool, right? Here. Look at XRP, look, down she goes. No surprise. Are we surprised? No. Have our members taken our profits? Yep. Every one of our members, I'd imagine by now. If they haven't, well, they weren't listening. And that's up to them. But on the homepage of the channel, across the top, we've got our community tab. That's where I post everything. I do polls. I do everything. There you go. There's our community. Tell you everything I'm doing as I do it and before I do it. So you can see me doing it. Okay. Okay. Trying to make a video today as well. Let's have a look. On the 1XRP chart zoomed out the month, am I seeing one big bull flag? Speak to Sensei on Sunday. He's our technical analyst. Get to the carpet. How do I become a member? Become a member, click this link here. There's the member video, tells you all about it. If you are on an iOS device, you will need a browser and then select desktop version. Otherwise, it will work on your iOS device. Chris Biotics, welcome. Congratulations, you did very well. James, the crazy trade was too good. Brian Duggan just became a member. I'll give you all your perks in a moment. Not sure I'm getting this philosophy. I'm not sure I'm getting this philosophy. Well, Elliot Army, that's up to you. I can see you're not a member of the channel. Fine. Well, that's what smart money does. Whether you agree or not, it doesn't change it. And it works, consistently works. Dollar cost averaging. It's just the most silliest phrase ever created. Doesn't improve your position whatsoever. I've been looking for someone reliable to follow and learn from. Happy to have found someone honest and willing to share their actual knowledge. Let's see how far we can go. Thanks for the hard work. I will always be here with you, Dirk Douglas. I will bring you the best guests, the best CEOs, hedge fund managers, Wall Street live link-ups. Absolutely. I'll never go anywhere. I'm here through the bear markets, the bull markets, the ups, the downs, committed up to 12 hours a day, 24 hours a day on the extra channel. I'm always here. I'm going nowhere. I'm here to help people. You just explained that dollar cost average as you buy the S&P every month or every year. You just explained that you dollar cost average as you buy the S&P every... No, I don't. Ben Sharples, no, I don't. You didn't listen to a word I said. I did not say I buy every month, every year, at all. At all. I buy when there's a macro condition, and then I go all in. Like when Warren Buffett bought Coca-Cola. It was undervalued. He bought the whole company, pretty much. That's what I do. And I take my margin to the maximum of what is my risk tolerance. So that isn't what I said at all. I believe Sensei mentioned 230 and 2 and the potential support levels for XRP. I can't remember. You need to tune into Sensei on Sunday. Is TPL value for money? TPL is the United States. TPL is Texas. TPL is the landlord for every business going on it next year. You're damn right. How can that ever be too expensive? When can we ever expect a Mobix Labs? I spoke to Mobix today. Let me check my messages. Aha. I have just had confirmation from Mobix. I have officially been told I will ask a question. And I've got the number. I've got that. Right. I will release a Mobix world exclusive in a moment. Oh, you're going to like this. Oh, you're going to like this. World exclusive. I'll go members only for this. Yeah. It's not even out yet. World exclusive. Holding. Rob, my dad, Rob Toff. Do you really sing? Yes. Live on the show. When it's your birthday, you get a birthday song live on the show, which you can keep. You can download the video. I go to my studio behind me on the piano. The screen lights up with balloons, and you get the whole thing to keep. I would love to see you since I live in California. We are going to Dallas on the 29th for a meetup. We're doing a convention in Dallas. All members are welcome. Martin does yes, I do. You show that artists are the smartest folks, impressed by your directness. I just tell the truth. Ask me anything you want, I'll tell you the truth. Not interested in anything else. You sound like a very reliable source of advice, almost divine interventional sorts. Player 666. He sang on my 50th birthday, Mike. Kept spamming, half a century old. I love it. Good evening, Brian. Let's go Mobix. Okay. Right. We're going to ring the bell, and then we're going to go members only for a world exclusive for Mobix. We're going to go members only for a world exclusive. I've just been given it on Mobix the moment we ring the bell. You cannot afford to miss this. Ooh, Martin's got another world exclusive.
Looking at some stocks that are down a bunch today.
You betcha.
Coinbase down 9%.
You bet I
down
have.
15. Palantir
and I've got
down
it before
5.
anybody else.
Palo Alto down 4. Talk about a lot of stocks that have had a pretty good run.
Yes.
And quick.
The hot pockets, as I've been,
we're going to ring the bell
them.
in a few seconds. We're going to go members only in a second as well.
It sort of made its way into the discarded kind of boom bust merchandise
5,
of 2021.
4,
I noticed the real
3,
was up 35%. It's under $1 billion market cap. It's way below its 2021 highs. It got an upgrade. It had 20% short interest. So it's almost as if this market
bell has gone. The Sensei bell has gone.
Beta,
there it is.
Quality,
the solid brass bell
now,
has gone.
once you've done that for several weeks, as we've been
doing,
it kind of
CNBC will catch up with me in a second.
And people feel like maybe it's time to take some off. I think that's
They're
all that's really going on in that part of the market. Bigger picture,
never mind.
Again, it's trying to figure
we don't need that anyway. So what we're going to do is we're going to go members only. I've got a world exclusive that I want to give the members first. So we're going to switch to a Mobix members only stream. So let me do that right now. Here it goes. Members only in 3, 2, 1, done. We're members only.
Jeff Pereira has become a member.
Okay, we're now members only. This is not viewable by anybody else who's not a member. Okay, here we go. I want to give a world exclusive. That's what we're going to do now.
You get an Apple,
no doubt about it,
which hits a new all-time high.
It's almost like there's parallel markets where there's the investors that are saying things look fine. I'm going to stick with the quality. I'm going to basically ride this good trend in the indexes. And then there's the trading community, which is very, very overexcited and it's just sort of, again, having fun at the margins.
All right, we'll have moderate losses today across the board. Red, certainly for all three of the majors.
There we go.
We'll take you into overtime now with Morgan and John.
That's the end of regulation. Brinker International ringing the closing bell at the New York.
Okay, there we go. So I've just put back our world premiere tonight. That's going to go back a bit later. But I have a world exclusive, members only. So first of all, I'm going to make this. Okay, here we go. So the time is XRP live 59 minutes. 59. Okay, Here we go. We're now in members only mode once again. This is a members only live stream. It's not viewable. I don't mean just members only chat. I mean members viewable. It's a world exclusive. All our world exclusives now are members only. All of our CEO meetings are members only because it's all about providing the best quality service. All right. So here we go. Stand by. XRP was Brad Garlinghouse thrown under the bus last night. Some could argue he did it to himself. It's what happens with media. They're not there to make you look like a star or even promote your product or service. They're there to make great TV. And they did a very good job at doing that and brought balance, even though they left out some of the most important parts. Now, Brad is deciding to go on the Joe Rogan show. I would suggest that's a big mistake. 60 Minutes didn't do him any good. It was a great opportunity. However, he gave them too much. Like he said today in his own Twitter post, he said he spoke for an hour and a half and they only used 15 minutes. That is it. What you got to do is, if you're on TV, give them the bit you want over and over again to fill up that 15 minutes. Don't give them too much. They'll use other things that you might not choose to do so. I know. I've made lots of TV over the years when I did my Vegas show, so be very careful. Now he wants to go on the Joe Rogan show. Big mistake. Joe Rogan will get him millions of views. However, big mistake. I'm going to ask you now what he should do, and I'm going to give you a suggestion right now. I'd like your comments below. Last night on 60 Minutes, the video that 60 Minutes put out has 98,000 views at the moment of I'm making this video. We had 132,000 views. Pretty good, right? Absolutely. Busiest channel in the world for XRP last night. And we are a channel full of XRP investors. We warned you that XRP would go down 50%. It's happening live on my show right now. All of our members took profit off the top, buying back. They're all winning. Every one of our members not only had 25% the first time, this time have about 30%. How much more XRP are they buying right now? A lot. XRP is crashing exactly like we said it would. It was a great opportunity for Brad. However, he didn't play it right. And whether you like me or like XRP or not, the proof is in the pudding. If you'd followed our guidance, Sensei's chart, you'd all now have a lot more XRP. $2 was the entry point. You could have picked it up there. It just hit $2 and buy it in again. And now you're accumulating. Now Brad wants to make another mistake. He wants to go on the Joe Rogan show. A Joe Rogan show is about drama. Sitting there, sometimes they smoke inappropriate stuff. We've all seen Elon Musk's famous moment. It's a drama show. It's sensationalism. It's not what crypto needs right now. Crypto does not need any more sensationalism. It needs good journalism without an agenda, without editing, open and free. There is only one place that can offer that and reach the biggest XRP audience in the world. That is right here. We're doubling our rate of growth every month. I'm not even interested in Mr. Beast at 100 million. I want to be the first 1 billion channel in the world. That's what I'm working for. There are 8, 9 billion people in the world. I forget the exact number. But that's what I'm aiming for. And I believe we could be the first 1 billion subscriber channel. Why? Because we're live every day. We're about you, not me. We're about entertainment, fun, facts, finance, music, emotion, real journey together, live every day. Brad shouldn't go on Joe Rogan right now. That would be a mistake. Joe Rogan would bring all kinds of controversy to the conversation and make crypto look dodgy and odd and strange, and people would love to short the asset and do all kinds of things if he does that. However, if he comes on my show, he'll be able to talk to me as long as he wants, unedited, unscripted, not pre-planned, and all of it will go out exactly as it's made. And it will go out to the biggest XRP audience in the world. No question, 100% guaranteed. That is a fact. So how do we get Brad to decide not to go on Joe Rogan, but to go on my channel? Because I promise you one thing. If Brad goes on this show, we will have 1 million views. And then we'll have 500,000 subscribers. Pretty much overnight. To real investors of XRP. So if you are a real investor in XRP and actually really care about doing the right thing and about selling at the top and buying at the bottom like we've done over and over and over again, this is the plan. You all followed me the other night. You all tuned in and watched our show. So now I'm calling upon the XRP army, 12.9% ladies on our channel, the highest of any crypto channel in the world. Average is 1%. We are 12.9% ladies. So we're speaking to more XRP ladies here than any other channel in the world. All of those of you that care about XRP, the Lucas army as well, this is what we're going to do. But you have got to do it. Don't be lazy. And this is what we do. Let me give you the information of what we're going to do right now. I have never gone to any of my CEOs to have them on the show. Never. Never offered my services, never emailed anyone, never cold called anyone. And we've had many CEOs on the show with more planned. I'm about to release in a few moments a world exclusive on Mobix. Stand by, that'll come up in the next video. I'm recording this members only, so members only are seeing this live first as I make it. That'll also be a members only video exclusive. What you do is this. You email investorrelations@ripple.com. You don't expect me to phone them up and call them because then I'm selling services. I don't do that. I'm too busy to do that, and it's not the right way of doing it either. They want to hear from you, the investor, because you care about XRP. You want XRP to go mainstream. You don't want it to be scandaled around and batted around. Brad's already made a whopping mistake. Don't let him do it again. Brad is a CEO. Very good at creating a technology. Not so good at production. Not so good at customer relations. Not so good at broadcasting the message he wants. That's what I do. Well, hate me, love me, like me, don't like me, I don't care. I know how to sell the story, and I know how to provide the best broadcasting service for everyone. Doesn't bother me whether XRP goes up, down, or sideways. I own the S&P 500. Makes no difference to me, but I want my members to always make money. And our members always do make money. As you can see, it bounced off the $2. You could be up now. Very nice. So email investorrelations@ripple.com. Tell them that you are an investor. Tell them that you'd love to have XRP on a live, unedited channel, unscripted, that goes live to the world. It goes live to all the XRP investors, not a scandal channel, not a channel sitting there talking nonsense. The hell's Joe Rogan to do with investing? Nothing at all. I don't mind taking on Joe Rogan, Mr. Beast, you name it. I'm not bothered. This channel is going to be far bigger than all those combined. So if you want Brad Garlinghouse on this channel and interviewed unbiased, completely factual, and let him present everything he wants unedited, you have to email ripple.com. Build a relationship. Tell him he needs to be on this show. Give him my details, martyn@martynlucas.com. Give him the channel details. When they're ready, they'll contact me. They'll come to me, and then they'll be on the show. And then watch how many people we reach. And then watch how we get the truth and the story and the positive side of XRP. It's up to you. If you want XRP to do well, I guarantee you 100% that'll work. Forget Joe Rogan. Forget some big YouTuber's got nothing to do with XRP whatsoever. We saw what happened when the Democrats tried to get all of the famous people behind them to make Kamala Harris look good. It made them look an arse. It doesn't work. People don't want celebrity anymore. Celebrity doesn't work. I am not celebrity. I am a representative of you. I don't own the stock. I don't benefit from it. I don't care whether it goes up, down, or sideways, but I do care about my members. So if you want XRP to do well, really well, you know what to do. The rest is up to you. You can make it happen. Click above my head for all the links. Down below in the description. Over here, I shall put our XR playlist. And down here, I'll put something of interest. It might be our world exclusive, which is coming up in a couple of moments, which I'm about to make in a members-only live stream for Mobix. Another world exclusive directly from the CEO. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. If you want the email for Ripple, just go to their website. Just go to the website, ripple.com. Click on the contact us. Go to Brad Garlinghouse on Twitter. Message him there. You don't need me to tell you. If you need me to tell you, then you probably won't do it. You need to do it yourself. I can't be telling you how to find the email. Right. Now then, another world exclusive. World exclusive. Members only. I just joined. Do I need to do anything? Joey, what do you mean? Do you need to do anything? I'll give you all your members' perks in a moment. Let me just make this video. Let me just get you this video a minute. 15 minutes. I'm gonna change that as well. Premiere 3:45. Right. Okay. Oh no, I can leave it at 3:30. I've got time to do that. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay. World exclusive. Right, are you ready? Are you ready? XRP, then MOBX. Okay, here we go. Mobix Lab, world exclusive, members only. This will be available to the general public later, but this is a world exclusive. All of our world exclusives, all our CEO interviews, come to members only first. Many more coming up. I've got a big one for you now. Mobix Labs. Many of you bought this at the bottom. You've made a lot of money. And now I've got a world exclusive directly from Mobix. I have direct lines to most CEOs that we cover on the show, stocks that we cover on the show now. Very apart, I don't have Jensen Huang, by the way, or Elon Musk, but I have pretty much the other ones. So I've got a world exclusive for you now, directly from Mobix. I've said to you that I wanted to ask questions on their earnings call. It would be a first for me ever to be able to ask a question directly on an earnings. We broadcast the earnings. How cool will it be to be broadcasting the earnings as well as calling in to the earnings, putting a question directly to the company? Also, I'm going to bring you an exclusive bit of information. If you look down here, what do you see on Robinhood? You see here, it says earnings expected December the 26th. Not been confirmed yet. Oh, yes, it is. This is the information, and this is the message I just got from Mobix. Hi, Martyn. Yes, I have confirmed that you are allowed to ask questions. In fact, you can ask 2 if you'd like. Okay, then. Our only requirement is that you submit the questions prior to the call so we can clear them with legal. I've sent one. I'll send another. We are excited to have you join our earnings call on December the 19th after the bell. December the 19th after the bell. World exclusive. You've just got to find out when the earnings is. The earnings is December the 19th, and Martyn Lucas Investor with you will be asking 2 of the questions. How flipping cool is that? So, join us on November the 19th for the earnings call. Become a member of our channel if you want more world exclusives like this. CEO interviews, you've seen them before. There'll be many more. Brad Garlinghouse will be on my show. Elon Musk will be on my show. They'll be coming to me. It'll take time, but they will come to me. I promise you that. Click above my head for all the links, down below in the description. Over here, I shall put the Mobix Labs playlist. Down here, I shall put the Mobix Labs earnings. Join me live for the earnings where I will be asking the questions. No point doing an earnings. You know what I'm going to ask. Brilliant. Ahead of time. When? December the 19th. Another world exclusive here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Thanks to all of you for helping grow this channel. Double rate of growth every month. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. That'll go out as a video. Oh, yeah. Check it out. Right. Okay. I just joined. What do I need to do? Well, first of all, when you joined, watch the members only video so you know what the deal is with the membership. As a member, you can get discounts. There's my alpha spread, seeking alpha. You can now get access to Discord. If you want Discord, there is a link to Discord. Send me a friend request when you've got signed up. Free training. We provide it for free. Membership price will never go up. No inflation. I will cover the cost of training. There it is. If you come to the music channel on Friday, there is the link in the chat. You can have your first free song request. You can also have a birthday song on your birthday. Members only live streams. Members only chats. You can ask me to poll the audience. Ask me to review a stock. Ask me to do earnings. There's Instagram and X where I put all my reviews before I make all my reviews and my trades before I make them. There's the all links if you want the newsletter. We do giveaways. We've got Christmas birthday cards. The Christmas cards aren't ready yet. I don't think I'm going to get in time anyway. There's that. Is that it for a minute? I think that'll do for the minute. Martyn Lucas Investor. My Discord information is Rob Noth. Let's have a look. Rob Throth. Rob Throth. That's hard to say, isn't it? Rob Thoth. Rob Thoth. Thoth. That's hard to say. Maybe it's just me. All right, okay. Let me go and look for you on Discord. Yeah, there you go. Rob Thoth. I've got you. Thank you very much indeed. There's somebody else, but I see you. I will now upgrade you. I will give you a role of member. There you go. I've done that. I don't need to do a nickname. You've already done it. If you send me a friend request, I'll accept it. This is you. I've just upgraded you. You can now get all the free training. You got it. Rob Thoth. There you go. Rob, if you send me a friend request, I will accept it. Please do not accept a friend request from anyone called Martyn Lucas. In fact, don't accept any friend requests from anybody that aren't friends of mine. Okay? Please do not accept friend requests from all the scammers. Send me a friend request. I will accept it right now. There you go. Contact the investment team. Namisha, share that in Discord. I'm sure you have access. Yes, I've seen you. On Discord, share it with everybody else. Tell everybody else what to do. Don't just be the only one. Everybody needs to email. Everyone. Don't leave it to someone else. Everyone. Get them on the phone. Get them on the phone. You never, ever give up until you win. Ever. 4 years now I've been doing this, and I committed my life to doing it. And I've never given up for one single day. And I'm not starting today. Right. there you go. Everyone done, finished. Videos coming out in a minute. Mobix XRP. Thoth the Atlantanian. I have no idea what that is. It sounds good, I think, but I don't know what it is. Right, folks, it's time to end the show. We're now going over to a world premiere. I will do it. I know you will, Namisha. The ladies will. I've no doubt in my mind whatsoever that the ladies of the Lucas Aids will absolutely get involved and do that. I've got no doubt in my mind that Brad will be on the show. He would be absolutely stupid to go on Josh Rogan. He'll make it. He'll look stupid. It'll just be a joke, and it'll be a drama, and it will be entertaining. It'll be entertaining for Joe Rogan. Not Josh Rogan, Joe Rogan. It'll be entertaining. Will it be good for XRP? No, it won't. No, it won't. Getting ready to go through security of Discord. Joey, you might have to give me your details tomorrow. Okay. We're about to go live on this premiere. So let me give everyone the premiere. Main event today. Here it is. This is the main event. Oops. Let me just go back to general public now. I had to hide that from the general public. That was members only. That world exclusive. So let me do that now. Change back to public. Members only. Public. All right. Changes saved. Now we're back to public again. Thank you, Namisha. That's it. Get to work. I love it. Okay. All right. The Emerald Tabernacles of Thoth. Not heard of them. Look up the Kabillion if you can catch some free time. Oh my gosh. Okay. I ain't got a clue what's going on here. Sounds very mythical. Sounds very mysterious. Anyway, what we're going to do now is we're going to go to a world premiere. This video was called Don't Do This. Really, really, really tried my best this morning to, say about don't do this. It would have been a 30% drop for F. Caban today. Shame he's not here. He said right there, should I buy it? It came on the show. I analyzed it on the show. 16%, now down 16%. 32% today. Boom, down from where it was. Flipping heck, he'd have lost 32% in hours if he'd done that. I said, do not do it. Don't buy that. Mistake. And it went down 32%. So I hope he didn't do it. So this is our world premiere. A world premiere is when a video goes live. A pre-recorded video goes live. There it is in the chat. This is when it goes live. In the premiere, you can tune in to a premiere and you can chat live in the chat. I'm going to be with you and we can chat together in the live. It's very nice, right? Okay, there we go. You can chat in the live. Once it's finished, the chat is not live anymore, and all you can do is leave comments. You can't chat live in the premiere. Okay, so this video, this live stream now will go to that world premiere when we finish. I just want to make sure it's redirected there. It is. There you go. In 2 minutes' time. There you go. And now all I need to do is make sure the premiere, after it's finished, takes you to the extra channel radio show. Sensei is doing his charts today on XRP. So there it is. We are all set for the premiere. Hopefully you'll join me. While you're joining me, I'll be getting to work on the Joe Rogan versus Martyn Lucas and XR and Mobix world exclusive that I can't repeat now because we're general public again. 50K. No idea what 50K means, but it sounds good. Mr. Fox with a hat on. As a beginner trader, what should I get into learning about crypto and stocks and things not to do? Sally, every single day I share my journey with you. I'm live every day. We have members only live streams, education. We have CEO interviews every day. Just join the family, listen, take part, phone in, ask questions, live every day. You've just come at the end. We're about to finish. I haven't got time now. 50,000 subs. Thank you very much indeed. Yeah, we're doubling our rate of growth every single month. Every single month we double our rate of growth. It's quite incredible. I'll share with you the numbers. We're just coming up to 250,000 views over the last 24 hours. I know. Can you believe it? We had the biggest audience, bigger than 60 Minutes themselves. 50,000 subscribers. We were only like 30,000 about, 2 months ago? Was it 2 months ago? 3 months ago? Yeah. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Anyway, thank you very much for that. I wonder what you meant there, 50K. Thank you. Congratulations on your 50,000 subs. Thank you very much, Sally. We really do appreciate it. I'm focusing on becoming the biggest channel in the world. 1 billion subscribers. That is my aim. That's my target. We want a channel for the world. That's what we're doing. That's what this is about. Right. The world premiere is about to start. Here it is. Join me. It's open to everyone. Don't do this. I said this morning, do not do this. I was right. Over 30% drop. This is how you analyze a stock, not just the news, the balance sheet, all of it. This is how you analyze a stock and identify it's not a good move to buy. Surpassing, Mr. Beast is nothing. 100 million, what's that? What's that? 8 billion people in the world. I don't. YouTube, you can reach. We already reached 62 countries and 14 languages with just 50,000 subscribers. We already do. It's because this channel will have more views and more subscribers because it's not about me. Mr. Beast is about Mr. Beast. This channel is about you, and it's not about making videos. It's live every single day. Zachze, I've only got a second. We're about to go to a world premiere. But Zachze is live on the phone. He's in Texas, about to meet me next week, next to an oil well. Hello, Zach. How are you?
Pretty well. How about you, Martin? Congratulations about the weekend.
Thank you very much, mate. You've only got literally 30 seconds. The premiere is about to start.
Absolutely. That's what we're talking about. The oil well. It's working. It seems like Texas has much more windmills for the solars, but definitely it's his pleasure to be in Texas. Wonderful to listen to your show, and definitely, as we spoke, just like promised, that's what.
There it is, Texas at work, TPL, Texas Pacific Land. I wonder if you're on Texas Pacific Land at the moment. I've no idea, but Texas is making money. If I own that land right now, they'd be paying me lots of money to dig that oil out the ground or pump it out the ground. Zach Zake,
right, like you said, I'm at the back of your house, but I gotta go. And thank you so much. Again, this is what the Texas Pacific Land. Yeah,
absolutely right. Texas Pacific Land. Thank you very much for calling in. I will see you next week. Bye bye for now. There we go. Zach Zay, as promised, said he would call in. Let's now go over to the world premiere. That's of our premieres about to start now. Texas Pacific Land. That's what it's all about. I will share that out later. I love that. Okay, the premiere's about to start. I'm going to end the stream. Thank you very much indeed. Join me for the world premiere. Let's go, 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 go. It's showtime. Bye-bye for now.